So if you didn't know, guys, today's the day when at long last DJI have launched the DJI Avata 360, which I've been so looking forward to. And I'm going to say right from the beginning, yes, I bought it. I bought the single unit. I think it came in at $459, something like that. And I also, because you have to buy the glass replacement thing, I think that was 21. So it all come to was $480. Now, funny enough, the Avata 2 comes in at $490, which that's good. I mean, that's why I bought it. So I thought that's not bad. $480. I mean, that's a good price. So I don't know when that is. Hopefully, I'll get an email later on today to say when's it coming. It'd be nice if it comes at the weekend. That would make a nice surprise for me. Anyway, going back to the update. So there's a new update on your phone, which I've done, because you need to do the DJI Fly App update. I'll just put that there so you know what that is. And virtually it's obviously to do with the 360 and fixed, as always, known issue. So it is advisable to update. But if you've had no problems flying your Avata 2, then yeah, maybe just leave it. Unless you're getting the 360, of course. There was an update on the RC2 as well, but that's all connected to this. So I did check with the Mini 5 Pro just to see if there's anything different there, other than obviously the app's been updated now, which is good. So I thought the next best thing to do, because I've updated it, I don't want anything to go wrong, I'm going to go out and test fly my Avata 2. Or may also test fly my Neo 2. I'm not expecting anything. And I'm sure once I get the 360, I'll be showing you how amazing it is. But anyway, I'll catch you in a mo. So I'm at my favourite place, the old mine. I checked the weather app. It says strong gusts, so it's not really advisable to fly. But I thought, well, as I've got to test fly it, I just want to make sure everything's fine. So everything's on. Let's press the start button. Yep, that's good. Press the records on. Okay, it went off to the off to the left there. Let's just go through, see what it's like flying. I'm not expecting it to be anything different, except the wind's a bit. Let's go through that one. It's definitely blowing over across me at the moment. Oh look, looks like we got another rafter down. Go through the top there. Go out the other end. Should be right in the building. Okay, everything's looking good. Just go round here a minute. It's back round. Let's see if we can come through that window. If it'll let me. I'm going sideways at the moment. Ooh. Yep, it's definitely it's a bit dodgy. That's all I can say. It reminds me of Andy. Is it Dodgy Dan or something? Dodgy Den? But yeah, it's not brilliant, I must say, for going through windows and doorways and that. So I'm just gonna have a whiz around. Everything's looking good. I've got 33, 32 now. Okay, let's just rip it round there. I'm just going to get the Neo 2 out in a minute as well to see how that performs. I mean, I wasn't expecting anything. Obviously, when I get the 360, I'll be out straight away, checking it out. Just see if I can land on the landing pad. That'd be amazing. I don't think I will be somehow, because it's going sideways. I don't think I've landed on the landing pad. No, miles away from it, but I'm not on about landing pads today. Up to switch, and then halfway down now. Click on the Neo 2, switch it over. Yep, that's that done. Gone straight in. Okay, this is what happens this time. I've just got a feeling it's just going to go way off. Okay. Home point. Okay, what's that at the bottom then? Noticed that before. Is that something new? Okay, it's different. I've definitely had, whoa, let's see if we can go through this one. I haven't noticed that before. That's something different. But this is on, I didn't get that on the Avata 2. I only got this on the, yeah, looks good. Can I get over that bush? Okay, so that's different. I mean, I think what it is, I've got the obstacle avoidance on the Neo 2 because I've been flying it on doing other stuff. So you can come out of that, but I've got a feeling even when you turn it off, it still gives you that warning. You know, I'm just going to fly around it. It's looking good. Well, I quite like that circle. That's all I can call it, really. I suppose it's like a sort of a navigation thing, isn't it? So yeah, maybe that's new, because I'm sure when I was doing this the other day, but then I wasn't using the goggles thinking about it. I was using the RC2. But that's definitely different. Let's see if I can come back through the building. That would be amazing if I can do that in this wind, especially on the Neo 2, because I can feel it. I can feel it pulling. And okay. Oh, it's no. Yep. Okay. It's sort of okay. It's sort of. Oof. Yeah. Okay. Well, no, don't. Right. I know. Can I come? So I can come back. Yeah. Okay. Let's go for it now. Okay, well, I'll tell you what I'll do. While it's in the air, I'm just going to go into settings mode. And we'll just scroll down if you can see it all. Alright. Okay. Let's look on safety. Here it is. I've got it on brake. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can knock that off a minute. And we'll just... Okay, so... let's just see if that makes any difference. I know before when I've turned off the obstacle avoidance on, especially when I'm using the motion free controller, you still get that warning light. Let's see if I can get it in. Okay, I think looks like the wind's just cut down a little bit. So I'm snaking through. Yeah, I'm not getting that. I'm not getting the peeping sound now, am I? Okay, so anyway, that lets you know. Can I do it again? I can see that wind there. Okay, that crosswind. Yeah, it's a bit better this time. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we're going to bring the drone in and have a quick chat. Sorry about that. It's like technical. I quite like that. So obviously I'm glad I brought out the Neo. I wasn't going to bring out the Neo 2. I was just going to bring out the Avata 2. Definitely want on that. But on the Neo 2, you got that indicator now that tells you when it's on and off, which I think is a good idea. So when I'm DJI, happy with that. From what I could see, other than that, obviously, yeah, nothing's changed, which is good. So hopefully, because usually DJI, it takes me a couple of days, but maybe this 360 might take a little bit longer. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that, guys. That's the main thing. And as always, just before I say tatty bye, there's one other thing I forgot to tell you guys, and I didn't show you on the video. When you're updating the goggles, obviously what you're going to find extra is the DJI Avata 360, but there's some stuff missing. Well, not some stuff missing really. It's something I think everybody is expecting to see on there, and it's not on there. And what I'm on about is tomorrow I just put my finger there because tomorrow, which is FPV Friday, if you didn't know, guys, it's a bit of a news flash from DJI. It will explain what I'm on about now, but I just wanted to let you know why I didn't show you when I was updating the goggles. Something not there. Anyway, as always, I'll hand you over to him. There's going to be, I've got my eyes shut because it's so bright. There's going to be another video coming ready. Sooner! I love it.